In today's video, we're gonna show you why we look like this.
We're up before 9 o'clock today because we're going on a boat.
So we've made our way to Malta, a small country off the southern tip of Italy. Our friends are here for a work convention, so we are meeting up with them. And today we've decided to go on a boat. We booked this Hornblower cruise through Get Your Guide. It's a 6-hour boat ride which takes you cruising the Mediterranean Sea, anchoring at the Blue Lagoon for some swimming, into the island of Gozo, where we paid $5 more to hop on a van for a ride around the capital of Malta. There are drinks and snacks for purchase on board, tons of room, and a nice bathroom. Our expectations were pretty low, but this day was incredible. This entire day cost only 30 euros, which at the time of filming was 30 US dollars. So affordable. Dare we say the best $30 you can spend in the world?
So a bunch of the reviews said that it was hard to find. I think that the boats are pretty easily labeled. Ours is this Hornblower one at the end of the dock.
We purchased our tickets just yesterday and had no problem checking in with our email tickets and finding an amazing spot on the top deck. I'm so excited.
Farming for savory, that's the most common fish you'll be finding in Maltese restaurants.
There's a small bar located in the back of the boat with beer and wine for less than 4 euros. There are some affordable food options as well, but we decided to wait until we got to Gozo to eat. The views along the way are absolutely stunning. Malta is littered with enormous rocky cliff sides, and the water was unbelievably blue. The highlight of the journey is definitely driving right into a 70-foot high sea king. We're about to anchor at the Blue Lagoon for an hour and a half. Cheers. The Blue Lagoon is a tourist destination located on one of the smallest Maltese islands. Once you arrive, you can explore the tiny island, swim in the Mediterranean Sea, and even jump off the boat. Are you gonna jump off? If you go, I'll go. So now it's only a matter of time to determine who slides off first. This will be like this will be the highest I've ever jumped off of anything. I chickened out in Crater Lake, so I'm just gonna do it. And I'm terribly nervous.
You got it.
I'm doing the slide.
Alright, so since Brandon chickened out, I guess I'm gonna jump. I've always said that I'll jump off anything, and I never have, so I guess this is my time to prove it.
Oh my god, I'm nervous.
So
Don't think too much.
Hold on, I need a minute. I'm nervous, I need a second.
Alright, if she did it, I have to do it.
Don't look down, you just can look forward. Just look forward.
I physically cannot get myself to do it.
And you're jumping. No, don't look.
No, I can't look.
No, don't. Just go.
I can't
You can.
Just don't look at it.
Don't look down, don't look at anything.
Just jump. Run and jump. Easy.
Easier said than done.
All right, so drinks?
Drinks.
The tiny island is surprisingly busy. The lagoon beachside is packed with vendors selling burgers, kebabs, and even cocktails. There's also a few different hiking trails in the island if you would like to explore even further. This boat has 3 different options. They hook you up with a colored wristband coordinated to which trip you're on. Some people just stay here for 4 hours. Other people go to another cove. We are opting to go to the island of Gozo, and then we've paid €5 extra on top of our 30 to take a bus tour around that island as well.
Gozo, we're disembarking and we're getting on our $5 bus ride. We have no idea what it does, but it's taking us somewhere for an hour and then somewhere else for half an hour, and then we'll be back on this boat in 3 hours.
30, please make sure everybody's same location where you are disembarking. If you have got the yellow tickets, please present them to the drivers that are here waiting for you.
Faye's got our $5 tickets. Now we just have to find which bus we want to get on. Hopping on this minivan to go on an excursion. We have no idea what we're doing. About 20 minutes of driving, super uphill, super downhill, very windy roads. I'm glad we paid for the bus. This is our first stop. I have no idea where we are, but it's really pretty.
This is easily the most beautiful place I've seen in Malta so far.
Right outside where they drop us off on the bus is TERAZZO. There's a beach bar and there's happy hour from noon to 7, so we may as well get a drink. Let's buy one first, get one free. So there's 3 of us. We've obviously ordered 4, and we have now 12 minutes to drink them. So here we go. Exactly 27 seconds later.
Never getting a chug off with Faye Murphy.
Yeah.
Voila.
€16 for 4 spritzes.
Woo.
Let's go, baby. Could you imagine getting $2 beers at a bar like this in the States? It's ridiculous. Everyone is just waiting on Alyssa.
It's so cold.
I don't know where they're going to take us next, but I'm damn sure we're going to embarrass ourselves again.
All right, 2 minutes to spare and exactly 37 seconds walk to the bus to the next place.
We came, we saw, we conquered. TERAZZO, get off the bus, get a couple spritzes, pound them, get back on the bus. Easy breezy. Back on the bus with 1 minute to spare. And we're not the last ones. We have been turned loose in Victoria, the capital city of Gozo, and we are left to our own devices. Gozo is the second largest of the Maltese islands. It is a highly sought-after plot of land and has actually been a territory of the Romans, Arabs, French, and England. It finally became a sovereign nation along with Malta in 1964. We are now at the base of the citadel and it's free to enter, so we're going to check it out. So it is complimentary to walk around the grounds of the Citadel. However, there are multiple different types of museums that price range around €5 each that you can pay for if you'd like to explore a little bit further. This island is so much bigger than I anticipated. So we booked today's excursion on Get Your Guide. It's an awesome app to find local trips, tours, and excursions that you can take yourself. We'll leave a link in the description. If you use our link, you'll be able to do a trip just like this one. After working up an appetite swimming and hiking around Gozo, we stopped at Cafe Diaz for lunch in a beautiful courtyard. If you do this trip, we would totally recommend doing the same.
After 3 hours in Gozo, we're back on the boat. We have no idea what's happening now because I think we still have like an hour and a half left of 7 hours. We might go back to Blue Lagoon and we might just go straight back to Valletta. We have no idea.
So they actually take you a different route on the way back, which is kind of cool. You get to see different stuff. Also, the Count of Monte Cristo is filmed here. There's a bunch of filming locations.
What a great cruise, because the return is a different route, so it's a completely new adventure from the beginning of the day.
Definitely worth it. Like,
Totally.
do this.
Do it.
Do it. Back to where we started. What a great day.
Ooh, if you only do one thing in Malta, make it this.
Do it.
So cool. So fun. Woo! Woo! Woo!
The last two goobers off the boat trying to get their money's worth.
Have a great night. That was wonderful.
Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe for more adventures like this. Happy travels.